say, I told him to stop talk about Jayden. And I think those people working with the principal. They not work with Shanique them, they work with the principal. And you know the people that I talk about are the principal that I work with. All right.
Wow.
You can drop
Allegedly.
it up. Legendary.
Yeah. Big up yourself, my brother, cause you know your thing and you're a man with your support. Big up yourself, yeah, bro.
All right.
My general. Guys, allegedly, yes, sir. I'm going to go terrorize people. But yeah, man. And guys, this is the thing. Wait, let me show you something. On my platform, you can say what's on your mind. On my platform, you don't disrespect somebody in the comment don't disrespect somebody in the box. You don't throw a word at the next person self, and we'll find. You can disagree with Tiger can disagree with you. You understand? Because we are seeking out justice for a case that none of us was there. And if we were there, we would not have your side with a down station and bring in the people, and bring in news and bring in stories. So I feel like the best way to move forward with this, if you say it's a chicken and it's not a rooster, and me says a rooster and not a chicken, we just agree to disagree and pedal on. That's the only way we're going to live. You can't say, your head too big. Look how your head big. A 4 week your mother take for have you because your head so big. People are going to get vexed because nobody like humiliation. Nobody like shame. So if you tell me, say, my head big and my mother take 4 weeks to have me, I'm going to tell you, you have 2 fathers and then that I go burn you and you look on the thing. So, yeah. And so Peter saw him say, I don't have to say to you, I just say allegedly. You understand? And if Chef saw him say, Sharon say, I don't say, I don't feel them believe. I mean, I go give them belief so they give me back. So I not go disrespect nobody we come and say something women in or something women I do. You know what I do? I do wobia. I do science. And enough time you hear wobia and science over here. And to them, I choose some wobia and science. I say, I just nyam so sumba and shout out. I am a gunda and a person will go report me live. That's what them. And that reach them. But yeah, make we move on, people. Lana.
Yes, Tiger.
Moderator. Yeah, make we move on and carry on with the program.
Yeah, man, justice for all them, man.
Big up yourself, bad bro.
All I can say is I want justice for Jayden. Them, the family, them, want the police to question them and over again. Because they need to go in the thread box again.
I think so too.
It's too much discrepancy in their what they're saying. One say one thing, the next one say the other thing. It's like everything is not adding up.
And I want to say I want to say to your grand big yourself as well, big up yourself, because if I remember correctly, guys, a lot of you guys might not know the morning walk, and I'm telling you since Jayden, I've been on TikTok from a couple of years back, and if I'm sure, I think I'm sure by saying Grant was with me from the morning walk. So morning walk, that's a whole different program that we do, and a lot of people is from the morning walk as well. They will know what I'm talking about. And Grant come over onto the Jayden case, and I can safely say she's a supporter of all platforms, because I see Grant is a lady where the only somebody Grant bad up and try to go like she want beat all the time is me. But apart from me, you see if you do something wrong and me grant beat feed. That's how it works. Grant beat me just in case one of them do something wrong next week. That's how me get for me beating from Grant. I love her daily. I love her secondly. And she's a supporter of every platform, all platform. Have you been banned from a platform, Grant?
Only one.
Okay, so one person think she don't do things to get banned. So if somebody ban her from one, that's because them probably don't like her. So she eat too much fish. Cause she cooked 35 fish one day. Them have to hold 35 fish and don't give me one.
I think they blocked me because who I associate with.
Big up
Okay,
Miss
so
Grant.
she get
Big up Miss Grant. Big up.
so she get bammed down by association. But anyway, Grant, you know me love it. Big up yourself, mama. I love it. Yeah.
Blessings total. Katie.
I think Katie probably that work, you know. And you see, this is why me do want to do the people when never come up in the box, because this is stored on the program and that's why you see the people when know what to do, them not do it. And the people when never come up in the box and come up and them a rush to come back out. That's why I don't want to do it, that to keep it moving. Look on Katie, look how from she come, she mute her mic and she not talk. You understand where I come from? I not pick for nobody now. And because when me talk the truth, sometimes because I'm so blunt, people think I'm being rude or I'm picking or I'm trenching when I'm not. I've got a formation in my head and that's why I was doing it that way, because you see the person when never go in the box yet, then the people they come out they're afraid. You see one lady come in the box and me have to put her and crocus bag over her head and tie it short to tell her if you breathe. She couldn't breathe first and go up in the box. Me have to wash out the box with bleach and then something because she tell me say COVID in the box and so. Anyway, Toto, give people a piece of what you say, you're a giant in my business, you know.
Yeah, man. Me go inbox you my number, Tiger.
Alright.
Yeah. Things where me have to say, can't say upon them.
Okay.
But they want gather you, Royal Boss, Sunset. All if we can get even J progress with it. I'm going to show you something. So I'm going to send on my number.
Okay.
We have to do this early out. Yeah, so we have to get together and start this out. We can't make the 9th month come and we now get serious upon them people.
Yeah, almost a year now.
Yeah, the 9th month. We are approaching the 9th month now. We have to get serious upon them. Remember, you know, them think it was just a 9-day talk, you know. Something special about that number there, you know, Tiger. That's why when someone drop out, them keep on 9 night. So the 9th month, never go now call and show no what I want.
Okay. Look up yourself.
But all this just talk here. You still need the police to do something about it, right? If the police is not doing nothing about it, then
Yeah, them not do
the
nothing.
talking is
So
in vain.
we have to go do something because them not doing nothing. We can't depend on them, you know, Miss Grant.
Mm-hmm.
We can't
Well,
depend.
there's somebody in authority have to do something about it. Someone in authority have to do something about it. Someone in the police department have to do something about it. And if they don't take it serious, then nothing is gonna happen. They have to take it serious. And you have to find who police to take it to. Who an authority to take it to. Who you can trust. Because look like the police is not doing nothing about it.
Police not doing nothing, Miss Grant.
So this could go on and on and on and on until it just melt away if the police is not doing nothing about it.
Within the 9th month, we have to do something early within the 9th month.
They can look at it as, oh, they just bloggers talking, trying to make their money. That's how they can look at it.
For me, the talking thing come to an end in the 9th month. We have to do. So I gather my brother them together within the Jayden'S case.
Yeah.
Never talk to them.
Yeah, everybody get together and put heads together, you know, and put their ideas of what you're gonna do and how you're gonna get this case represented to the higher authority, you know.
Yeah, we are got. Well, what I'm going to say to them, we cannot talk on a live.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but you don't understand. Me I try to do this tonight. Yes, and we can't talk, discuss all of that. So you say, I will send the number. And you say, all right, cool. Because what me I do now, me I try to do a little thing for the people that will never come up in the box from when.
Okay, forget that chance.
Come in. So I give them a rotation at the box, one at a time for them to come up and just bless up, and even if they have something they used to type all the while, and they want to
come say it now. So me I go step down, people, Tiger give everybody have 5 minutes. So when you come up now and say what you have to say, people.
Yes, people, so make to keep the show up on the road. So guys, if you know, I am celebrating the people that is always inside of the comment section or the video from day one. So just come up and please guys, you don't need to be shy. I tell you I already say I am a vegetarian tiger. So you don't need to be shy. Just come up and go on. What's a reasoning? Just don't do it too long. Well, you're not shy anyway, so you're not going to really do it long. You understand? Just come up and even just come feel at the box, or the box feel. Me clean out the box them today. And you COVID them and so me take out the COVID them out of the box. So yes guys. So send on a request and come up. Everybody is to come up in the box. Even if it just to come say justice for Jayden, it doesn't matter. Worse, and I am worse if I never got on box before. Please to send up a request and come say something.
How are you?
You know, so me there I look on the better one more.
First of all, now I'd just like to say to you, because you've been there from the very beginning, fighting every single day. I don't know how you do it sometimes, because sometimes people need to have a little time out, but you've been there, you've listened to people. Yeah, sometimes you get a bit upset because you're passionate, but that's who you are. And it's always been justice for Jayden. I like the way you try to bring some of the TikTokers together and stuff like that. It's very nice, very good. And it's going to always be justice for Jayden. So no matter where you guys see me, it's justice for Jayden. Always.
Straight up.
And everyone that taps, even the messages, even the repost, you know, we have to thank everybody for being a part. We have to thank everyone.
Everybody, every single body.
Yeah.
Everybody. And that's why I'm telling the people in the comments, for me, it's just a tonight and the 8th month of Jayden's disappearance, for me, is just a part of, I say thank you to you guys and showing them my love and my appreciation, because I can tell you, say, a lot of people, a lot of hosts cannot manage to do a live if they have 3 people in it or 4 people. Me I come from where me and my family alone at the box. Me I come from 0 views. So views don't frighten me. And me go up to 6,000 views and me come back down to 1 views. I say go. But me have to big one up, because same like how we do the time, we know do the time as well. I'm not always there whether rain or sunshine.
Yeah.
So big up on yourself, big up on yourself. I mean I tell you say, well what kind of message more I send from this or me I do tonight? Because I am a little bit saddened that it didn't go the way or I thought it would have gone. Because as I said, I wanted to have all of the main hosts them in the box and we'll do a full 8 months recap. And where this platform talk about, what this platform reach, and you know, I mean I talk about the motto, the toto, the chat and laugh, the spice, the me, you know, and that's how me never plan it. Cause some mistake, I like do things spontaneously. Because when you plan something and the record, it make your I think we just say toto forward in our life, you know. It make your this when you see disappointment is never a good thing.
No,
so
it's not.
that's why I not do planning. And my mother always tell me say man a plan and God a wipe. So me organize. So me organize my brain and me jump out on TikTok and me hopefully that I saw would end the night with the whole away where I said justice for Jayden'. You understand?
Yeah.
And let's see what happens. God just give me a different inspiration and say, yo, respect and bless the people in the comment. We should and that's what me reach us right now. So big up yourself, Sunshine. Now Sunshine, if you know, when Sunshine come by me, Sunshine was by me first, and when Sunshine come by me, I was already doing Jayden's story. But
yes,
you know, you're gonna get up and go talk. Me don't want to tell you say me that do Jayden's story first. More me action to make you know say me that do Jayden's story first. That's why
I know that though.
Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, you was the first person actually that when it comes to Jayden', you was the first person, to be honest.
You understand? Yeah, and that's what I am saying. A lot of people want first place, and it's not a race. Even if it's a race, it's not a sprint. It's a marathon. And the fittest of the fittest are going to endure. You understand? And that's why I say take out the competition and we can do some petition. You know?
Right. Yeah, because this is long now. This is long. This boy needs justice.
Yeah, but and let me tell you something, you know, Sunshine, is as sad as it might be, it could have been longer than that, you know. Because as we say, we can give you some case where there was longer than that. Hell, you live in a United Kingdom. There was a man who unalived a little girl in 1983, about a year ago. If it's not less than that, then just put him in a sweatbox for 20 years. And when they hold him, it was like 70 or so. So the wheel of justice spin. It just don't spin for our time. And we have to just ask the Most High Father God to guide and protect the prosecutor, them and all the investigators, them and point them down the right path so they can grab the hyena, the crocodile, and the reptile and the whole of them and take them off of the side. You understand? Because them hurt the little child.
Yeah, there's no doubt about that. I even listened to an interview the other day with her and Yard Boss, and I was quite astonished to hear that she said that she don't remember seeing Mr. T on a Saturday. And I'm thinking to myself, but you said that Mr. T gave you the key on a Saturday, so how comes you can't remember? There's so much inconsistencies and lies in this girl's interviews that it just makes me frustrated.
Moderator, I thought of that, but just my motto that I just seen her live. Moderator, if motto in her live, put him up in the box. Let me tell you something, and that is the reason why I am not gonna come on no media and tell a lie. I never know what Yard Boss was doing, but to see the result of Yard Boss situation, I feel so pleased. One word, because you see, a lot of people don't know this. I have been fighting this from day one, and I know I have go up against me, myself, and I've go up against Jagai, I've go up against Bella, which is my own sister. I go up against so many people.
I know.
So when the Yard Boss come out and say, and the girl talk out her own mouth, says every event that Mr. T talk about is true, apart from the keys and the Saturday. Me done convict her after, from she said that me convict her. Even if Yard Boss ever play a next interview, that one piece of clip where she had